To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the Updates tab located in the bottom menu. Now tap Add Status to start creating a new status. You can capture a new photo or video using the camera, or select one from your gallery. Now tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Here, you will see the new Add Yours sticker. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. Now tap on it to proceed. A prompt will then appear, allowing you to enter a question or theme that others can respond to with their own status updates. When you are finished, tap Done in the top right corner. You can resize the sticker using 2 fingers and place it anywhere on the photo by dragging. You can also do other things you normally do, such as adding text, drawing, or applying filters. Once satisfied, tap the Send button to share your status. Your status, along with the Add Yours sticker, will be posted to your status. When your contacts view your status, they will see the Add Yours sticker, and can tap it to share their own responses, creating a chain of related status updates. Currently, the Add Yours sticker feature is being rolled out gradually, and may not be available to all users right away. Each response appears as a separate status, while maintaining privacy and end-to-end encryption. This sticker encourages interactive and creative engagement, by allowing users to start or join themed status chains with their contacts. So that's how you can use the new Add Yours sticker on WhatsApp.